Hello everyone and welcome to the 11th day of Nailmas, and don't forget to please like and subscribe for more videos. Alright, today's tutorial is another really quick accent nail idea. This goes with the tree from yesterday. So again, I have done a coat of IBD gel in number 044, and I'm using the same silver chunky glitter that we did yesterday. But instead of a tree, we're going to do a reindeer, sort of a, I don't know, like flying reindeer, I guess, but it's a little more, elegant. It's made of swirls and stuff. So I'm going to use my same little Stumpy art brush that you guys see me using, and I'm going to block out a reindeer body. It doesn't have to be perfect because the swirls kind of bring the whole body together. So I'm going to get my silver on there as concentrated as I want it to be. And when it is on there, I will cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And now that that is cured, I am going to use white gel polish again, but this time I'm going to use my 7mm detail brush. This is Sheila. And I'm going to basically make the body of the reindeer out of like swirls and lines, and the antlers are going to be sort of out of like filigree type swirls. It's hard to explain, so just watch. And then when I'm finished, I will cure it for 60 seconds, add a no white top coat, and cure that for 60 seconds, and it will be complete. Alright, so there it is, all top coated and complete. I had so much fun making that. I did realize though his back leg doesn't look quite right to me. But there they are together. You could even do them both together with like 3 other red nails or something. But I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and as always, please stay jazzy.